Good morning. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks. It is Sunday, March 9th at 8 a.m. We are continuing our journey on creating a coloring book from scratch. And it's been a long little process, but it's been fun. I have noticed a huge change in my drawing capabilities from the start of it. So if you'd like to see that progression, start with the first video in the playlist, and you'll see that I'm getting a little more complex in my drawings, I hope, and better, I hope. So let me know in the comments. My brother is also an artist. He has his own channel, and I challenged him to create his own coloring book also, and his first one is going to be of baby dragons. So the link to his channel is in the description. Today is a hound dog puppy. We always had dogs on the farm. They would go on walks with us out in the woods, long walks with us. We also had our goat Samantha go a couple times too, which was interesting. It was fun. But no, the dogs were with us all the time. We'd go out to the barn, they'd be with us. We'd go for a walk, they'd go with us. We'd go up the hill to check the mail. They would follow along. They were just everywhere. They were good to have on the farm to protect from predators, coming in to get the animals. And we had one dog, I can't remember which one it was, that actually got into a nest of turkey eggs, and my mom wasn't too thrilled with that. That was it. Then she started protecting them a little more and making sure that she gathered them and incubated them herself to keep them out of them. So in the summertime, it would be really hot. We didn't have air conditioning growing up in the cars either. It was just pure hot. We'd have fans going, but the dogs would find their spot on the porch in the hot summer days on the east side of the house. Big concrete. It was cool, and they would just lounge and lay around until the night came and it got cooler outside. We had cats everywhere too, but all of our dogs and cats got along well together, and it was never really any conflict between them. I remember two dogs in particular. My brother had a dog named Boomer and Bear, and I had a little guy named Skeeter. My mom never really cared for Skeeter. He was a little old mutt, I would guess you would say, and he liked me, just me only, and he was my little shadow, which I do have a new little shadow these days called Bella, and you've seen her in my other videos as well. But no, we've always enjoyed dogs around, and they've always been a great friend to have. So here is my final hound dog puppy drawing. I hope you have a great day.